If you've ever had a moment in your life where you measured yourself and came up short, if you've ever poured your heart, your time, your soul into someone, into a company, into a dream, into anything, and still didn't get the results you expected, then listen, this one is for you. When life is beating you down, when everything starts falling apart, when you lose your job, you lose your money, you lose your spouse, your confidence, your hope, when you feel like you can't do it anymore, when that pain starts creeping in, when defeat starts whispering in your ear, pause, firm tone. You must remind yourself just how tough you really are. Emphasize, this is not the first time you've gone through pain. This is not the first time you've felt failure. And guess what? You're still here. Increase intensity. Every time you face adversity, it is not destroying you. It is making you stronger. You are not being burned. You are being forged. Forged into something powerful. Forged into something unbreakable. Forged into a beast. But listen, it's not going to be easy. No, life is going to try and rip you apart. It's going to break you down before you ever get the chance to build yourself back up. You're going to feel overwhelmed. You're going to feel stressed. You'll reach moments where you don't know what to do next, where you don't know how to fix what you're facing. Slow, then build. But when you finally decide that you will not give yourself a way out, you will not let darkness win, you will not accept failure as your final outcome, strong tone, then, one way or another, you will find a way through it. Because it's going to be a dogfight. It's going to be rough as hell. Life will knock you to your knees and keep hitting you. But you've got to make a decision, deep in your mind, deep in your heart, that it is not over. Emphasize, until I win. I will get a reward for this pain. I will not stop in the middle of the process. I will not be defeated. I will not be destroyed. I will take everything that happens in my life and I will let the pain push me to greatness. You will not break me. You will not stop me, because the only way I lose is if I quit. To become a champion, you must endure immense challenges. If you cannot handle challenges, you will never become a champion. If giving up tempts you when your legs give out, don't even begin. If the easy route tempts you when pressure hits, don't even take the first step. If you think doors won't slam in your face, if you think rejection won't hit you, then don't even start the journey. Slow, emotional conviction. But for me, every rejection fuels me. Every no feeds my hunger. Why? Because I am not a failure. I am just one more attempt away from success. If I keep trying, and I keep pushing, and I refuse to stop, eventually I will win. Life cannot deny you forever. Life cannot keep telling you no forever. If you are relentless, at some point you break through. I refuse to drift. I refuse to slowly figure things out. No, I'm turning this whole situation around 180 degrees. On the other side of your pain is freedom. Opportunity lives in chaos. Every struggle is a chance to stand up, a chance to rise, a chance to get it right, a chance to make a U-turn. So I need you to find a reason to keep going, because if you can find one reason, just one, then you are strong enough to push through anything. Every human has what it takes to survive. Every human has the power to endure if they decide to keep going. Tragedy hits everyone. Trials come to everybody, but only the strong survive. Most people run from obstacles. They don't realize those very obstacles are the pathway to their next level. Those struggles are what push you to break through. So every time you feel pain, every time you feel heat, Every time you feel pressure, remind yourself, emphasize, this is what's making me better. This is redefining me. This is shaping me into an unbreakable winner. You need mental toughness. When life screams at you to quit, you look it straight in the eye and say, I will break you before you break me. I will not be destroyed. I will outlast you. Because I am tougher than anything I face. I can take it. I do have what it takes to win. You will not defeat me. Some of you fail because every time a challenge comes, you stop, you shut down, you turn off beast mode. But listen, right in the middle of struggle, right in the middle of chaos, you must declare, I will not leave without my goal. I will not leave this opportunity without success. It is not over until I win. I am not phenomenally skilled, but I am phenomenally willed. I will not give up. I will not surrender. I will not quit. I'm not successful because I'm the best. I'm successful because life tried to break me and it couldn't. I outlasted the pain. I outlasted the struggle. I outlasted the haters. I outlasted the failures. And every time life knocked me down, I got back up again and again and again. So when life hits you hard, you hit back twice as hard. Match the energy, then destroy it. You've invested too much to quit now. You've sacrificed too much to walk away. Get your reward for all the hell you've been through. I don't care what the situation is. I don't care how bad it looks. Face it, own it, carry it on your back and say, Roger that. And then execute. Execute on your mission. Execute on your goals. Execute on your dreams. When you face that battle, you must outperform it. Before the storm comes, before sickness comes, before tragedy comes, you must already be mentally prepared. See yourself surviving. See yourself winning. See yourself getting through everything life throws at you. Make up your mind. I will not leave without what I came for. The battle is not over until I win. Because out here, it's not easy. People will tell you you can't, you shouldn't, you're not smart enough, you're not good enough. This world will beat you down again and again until most people just stop trying. But not you. You're a fighter. You always have been. Everyone has a turn back moment, a moment where it feels like nothing is working, where doubt creeps in, where life seems overwhelming. And in those moments, you must choose. Turn back like the average person, or keep going like a champion. Because yes, life is hard, life is challenging, life will beat you down. You will fail sometimes, and that's okay. As long as you get back up, as long as you take the next step, as long as you keep moving forward and never quit. I don't care how low you are. I don't care what you've done. I don't care what you've been through. You still have comeback power. Everything you're going through is preparing you for what you asked God for. So stop panicking during the process, because the process is necessary. You may not see it now, but when you get to the other side, you'll finally understand why it happened exactly the way it did, and you'll be thankful. So pull yourself together. You're in the process. God is not done with you. If He was done, you wouldn't have woken up today. Tough times never last, but tough people do. And you are tough. You were born with something special. You brought something into this world no one else did. And no one is going to do your work for you. No one is going to build your dream for you. It's your responsibility. So take it, own it, create it. Don't take rejection personally. Don't take failure personally. Keep moving, keep believing, keep fighting. Say this every day. Powerful, slow emphasis. It's not over until I win. It's not over
until I get through. It's not over until I overcome. It's not over until I get what I came for. That's the mindset. That's the courage. That's the determination. Everyone wants to be a beast, but do you know what a beast really is? A beast is someone who can go through hell and still be grateful their legs are working. A beast is someone who loses everything but is still grateful for the chance to get it all back and even more. A beast is someone who hits rock bottom, looks life in the face and says, "Roger that. I'm going to harness this. I'm coming back stronger." Because from here, it's only up. And remember, it is not over until you win.